Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote from Martin Luther King. You don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. It's always the hardest part. Taking that first step. The first step into what could be a truly incredible adventure. If you want to go upstairs, you know you need to take the stairs. And that is no different to your success. So start walking. The top of the stairs is waiting for you to arrive.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.